You're over 50, you're trying to do the right thing, but the health warnings keep piling up. Blood pressure, blood sugar, belly weight, cholesterol, joint pain, low energy. It can feel like your body is quietly setting traps for the future. The fix isn't another extreme diet. It's a simpler food and habit reset you can actually keep. Hey, welcome back. I'm Ray, and today we're looking at how to prevent lifestyle diseases after 50 with practical Mediterranean habits that don't feel like punishment. Here's the problem. Most people wait until the diagnosis arrives before they change anything. Then everything feels urgent. The doctor says lose weight, move more, eat better, lower your blood pressure, watch your sugars, and suddenly life feels like a list of restrictions. But prevention works best before things become serious. Small changes, repeated daily, are far easier than trying to repair years of damage later. The first useful step is your plate. You don't need to count every gram or turn dinner into maths. Build most meals around vegetables, protein, fibre, and healthy fat. That means leafy greens, tomatoes, beans, lentils, fish, chicken, eggs, yogurt, nuts, seeds, and extra virgin olive oil. This combination helps you feel full, supports steadier blood sugar, and makes it easier to reduce processed foods without feeling deprived. And that's the key. Don't start by asking, what do I have to give up? Start by asking, what can I add that helps my body work better? Add vegetables at lunch. Add beans twice a week. Add oily fish. Add a proper breakfast. Add a walk after dinner. When the good habits take up more room, the bad ones start losing power. The second step is reducing the foods that quietly do the damage. Sugary drinks, processed snacks, refined white bread, fried takeaway, processed meats, and constant grazing all push the body in the wrong direction. They don't just add calories. They can increase inflammation, worsen blood sugar swings, and make it harder to manage weight. A Mediterranean reset works because it replaces those foods with satisfying alternatives. Olive oil instead of creamy bottled dressing, Greek yogurt and berries instead of sweet biscuits, tuna and white beans instead of a processed sandwich, a handful of nuts instead of chips. Small swaps, done often, create a different health pattern. The third step is movement. You don't have to become an athlete. After 50, the most useful exercise is the one you'll actually do. Walking, light resistance work, gardening, swimming, stretching, stairs, or simple body weight movements all count. Muscle matters because it helps protect metabolism, balance, and independence. Even 2 short strength sessions a week can make daily life easier. The fourth step is routine. Lifestyle disease prevention isn't won by one perfect week. It's won by ordinary habits that become automatic. A similar breakfast most days, a planned lunch, water nearby, a walk built into the day, a shopping list that stops junk entering the house. When your environment supports the decision, you need less willpower. Here's the encouraging part. You don't need a complete life overhaul. If you improve breakfast, lunch and dinner by just 20%, your week changes. If you walk 10 minutes after meals, your blood sugar response can improve. If you replace 2 processed snacks with fruit, yogurt, nuts, or hummus, you've changed your daily pattern without making life miserable. The Mediterranean diet has been widely studied for heart health, metabolic health, and healthy aging because it's built around whole foods, fiber-rich plants, healthy fats, and regular meals. It's not a miracle cure, and it doesn't replace medical care, but it gives you a practical structure for prevention that feels like real life. So here's your starting point. Choose one meal this week and fix it, not the whole diet. One meal. Make it Mediterranean, vegetables or fruit, protein, slow carbohydrate, and healthy fat. Then repeat it until it feels normal. Once one meal is easier, fix the next. Before you move on, remember the real win is reducing risk without making life smaller. You still want enjoyable meals, simple shopping, and food you can share with other people. That's why this approach matters. The full article below gives you a sensible food and habit reset for preventing lifestyle diseases after 50. with practical steps you can start using today. Share this with someone who knows they need to change but doesn't want another punishing diet. Subscribe for weekly evidence-based content. Get well and stay well.